Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. If you love Chili Relleno but find it a little daunting to make, I have the perfect recipe for you. Deconstructed Chili Relleno. I created this recipe because I love the flavors, but this is much easier. Takes minutes to put together and it's so great. Let me show you how and let's get started. First thing you're gonna do is create some flavor. You're gonna char 3 poblano peppers on top of the stove until the skin turns brown. You're gonna then wrap in kitchen towel and inside a plastic bag. Let it sweat a little bit and then you're gonna peel the outside layer, the brownish layer, just like so. Remove the seeds, chop and set aside. And as always, I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. This is the hardest part of the prep. The other thing, you're gonna dice some potatoes, gold Yukon potatoes, about 400 grams. The smaller you cut the potatoes, the quicker they'll cook. Now let's get started on the recipe. I preheat the pan. I add some vegetable oil, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of onion. Let them sweat a little bit. I'm gonna add a bunch of spices to give that great Mexican flavor. Cumin, coriander, paprika and chipotle chili. Let those spices toast a little bit and then I'm gonna add 1 pound of chuck beef. You can choose to add sirloin if you like it to be a little healthier. Add some salt. And when the meat is almost cooked all the way through, I'm gonna add the potatoes. Let them cook. They're gonna take some time to cook. If you're impatient, you can boil your potatoes prior to cooking. I prefer to be patient and do it this way. The potatoes will stay intact and they won't become mushy. I'm gonna add tomato paste, 2 tablespoons. Mix them in and cook the tomato paste a little bit. You're gonna add the poblano peppers. At this point, you can adjust your seasonings if necessary. The last thing you're gonna do is add some water and finish cooking the potatoes. I'm gonna cook off the water, let the potatoes cook and soften the poblano peppers as well. And then the meat mixture will be done. You can cover it to speed up the process. Look at that, the meat mixture looks perfect. Now I'm gonna layer some corn tortillas on top of the meat mixture. Add your favorite tomato salsa. You're gonna need about 5 Roma tomatoes, the onions, garlic, cilantro, a little bit of lime juice or lemon juice. I have a great recipe for tomato salsa on my channel. I'll add the link in the description box. And I usually like to char or grill the vegetables to give it more flavor. I'm gonna top it with some colby and monterey jack, 8 ounces. Shred it all over. You're gonna bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes or until crispy and bubbly. I like to serve this with some shredded iceberg lettuce and some crema. This dish was a hit. It disappeared so fast and it's even better the next day. I really hope you give it a try soon and until next time, bon appétit!